Next generation.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to connect your Okapi Bluetooth and start logging data. First of all, we open the control panel. Make sure your Okapi Bluetooth is powered on and not paired with any device. If it is paired, delete the pairing on the device and power off the Okapi for a few seconds, then plug the power back in. In the control panel, go down to Add a device. It's in the Hardware and Sound section. Windows 8 will now automatically search for nearby Bluetooth devices. We are looking for an ABBTM device. This is the code name set by the manufacturer of the Bluetooth module used by Okapi. Select ABBTM and click Next. You will now be asked for a passcode. Enter the passcode 0000, then click Next. Okay, now back in the control panel, click on View Devices and Printers. Scroll down to the section titled Unspecified and you should see the ABBTM device listed there. Right-click on ABBTM and select Properties on the menu. Click on the Hardware tab. Look for the entry Standard Serial of a Bluetooth Link and make a note of the COM port number. Here it is listed as COM port 4, COM4. Now close the control panel. Today I'm using the terminal emulation software program PuTTY to receive and log data from the Okapi system. PuTTY is available for free download from the internet, as are many other terminal emulation programs. Double-click on PuTTY to open it. Select Serial, then change the COM port number to the COM port number you previously noted. For this test, it is COM4. Now go to the logging entry under Session. Switch the session logging to All Session Output. I'm just going to leave the file name as putty.log. Check the save file location. Here it is the desktop. And then click Open. It takes a short moment to connect, and then we see the data stream directly from the Okapi unit. From left to right, we first see Okapi, which tells us we are connected to an Okapi unit. We then see the number 2, indicating that this Okapi is able to control the fans for 2 solar air heaters independently. Next, we see the unique serial number for the connected Okapi. This is especially useful if you connect to more than one Okapi and you want to identify where the data is coming from. We now see a number of temperatures and fan speeds. For heater number 1, we see in 1 and out 1 and fan 1. In 1 is the inlet temperature, out 1 is the outlet temperature, and fan 1 is the fan speed, all pertaining to heater number 1. The temperatures are all listed in Fahrenheit. The Okapi we are currently viewing is not actually installed on a solar heater, so the temperatures we are seeing here are all room temperature values. The fan isn't currently running, so we see 0%. Then we have data pertaining to heater number 2, inlet 2, outlet 2, which is 77 Fahrenheit, and fan 2 speed, which is currently 0%. Finally, we see the ambient temperature. The ambient temperature is not to be confused with the room temperature, as it comes from a sensor inside the Okapi control unit, where there is almost always slightly more warmth. The ambient temperature is used both in the functionality of the Okapi system as well as to monitor the conditions of the Okapi system itself. Now we will close PuTTY and take a look at the log file. The log file is named PuTTY and is on the desktop. This file opens with Notepad. You will see the full record of the data logged during this section. You can analyze this data in whichever way you prefer. We will supply Excel templates on our website where you will be able to copy and paste the log data and be able to assess the information using the power of Excel and view the data as a graph. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Next generation.